So we're here today at the Suffolk County Veterans Stand Down event. We're here partnering with Long Island Cares, many other organizations, General Needs, to give back and support our veterans. Suffolk County has one of the highest populations of veterans across New York State, and so it's critical for us to be a part of the fabric of our communities and help support our veterans in need.
So today we're at the Freeport Armory Stand Down for Nassau County for veterans in need in the community. And where the stand down started was right after World War II, which was more of a resource event to bring veterans in to learn about the resources and what is available. And so this is how it's kind of morphed into what it is today.
It's what we call now playing it forward. And again, I'm lucky, I don't have to, but you could see in their eyes and the gratitude. And that gratitude transfers to me, and I feel so grateful for how they show their appreciation to me. It's just something, this is a great day for me. I probably get more out of this today than the people that are actually getting things.
So coming outside the office to give my time, my free time, is definitely worth it. Especially for the community and for veterans, or for whatever cause it may be.
We've been serving the community for over 10 years here on Long Island, and it's critical to get behind these types of things. The veterans, especially on Long Island, are the fabric of our community, and so it's critical that our employees are involved in giving back. And on top of that, we have many veterans that work at PSEG Long Island, so we've got about 20 volunteers here today. I'd say about half of them are veterans. So it's exciting and it's important to our employees as well.